Hafiz.
Kita Rahayu Tribunal,
Nadira Fitri Novianti,
Najla Safira Amalia,
Aurelia Pasya.
We will explain the definition of narrative text, generic structure, and example of narrative text. First, I will explain the definition of narrative text, the understanding of narrative text. Narrative text is one of genre which is taught at the 10th grade students. According to Anderson, 1997, a narrative is a piece of text tells a story and in doing so entertains for informants the reader or listener. Mayers 2005 states that narrative is one of the most powerful ways of communicating with another. Anderson in the use of graphic organizer method. Narrative text in a senior high school by Dwi Noviansari.
It should tell about an event or audience would find engaging. We may even think of our narrative as a movie in which the audience see people in action and hear them speak. Therefore, it should be detailed and clear, with even arranged in the order in some other effective way. From the definition above, it said that narrative text is a story tells us about something interesting that has purpose to almost and to entertain for the readers or viewers. We use that narrative when we tell a friend about something interesting that happened to us at work or at.
The second is narrative text structure. The generic structures of narrative text are orientation, complication, sequence of events, resolution, and coda. A more detailed generic structure of a narrative text has been proposed by Anderson, and Anderson who argued that a narrative text includes a. Orientation. The readers are introduced to the main characters and possible some minor characters. Some indications are generally given of where the action is located and when it is taking place. B. Complication. The complication is pushed along by a series of events, during which we usually expect some sort of complication or problem to arise. It is just would not be so interesting if something unexpected did not happen. This complication will involve the main characters and often serves toward them.
C. Sequence of events or climax. This is where the narrator tells of the character reach to the complication. It introduces their feeling and what they do. The event can be told in chronological order, the order in which they happen, or with flashback. The audience is given the narrator's point of view. D. Resolution. It is part. The implication might be resolved for better or worse, but is relief complication unresolved. Although this is of course possible in certain types of narrative which leave us wondering of.
E. Reorientation. It is an optional closure of event. Anderson in the use of graphic organizer method to teach narrative text in senior high school by Dwi Noviansari. It shows that there are some structures in narration that must be a serious attention. They are the structures of constructing a narration. A typical narration has an opening paragraph to introduce the subject of the narration, following by telling the problem of the story, and also having a final conclusion that signals at the end of the story. The purpose of narrative text. The purpose calls narrative text. It is to amuse or to entertain the reader.
First is a myth that developed in safety and generally considered a factual story or actually happened. For example, Aji Saka and Dewata Cengkar. The second one is a legend. It's a story that tells about how the origin of a place. The legend of Surabaya, the legend of Prambanan Temple, story